Good morning, students. So, today I am going to teach you mathematics of class 8th, and the chapter is rational number, and this is episode number 3, which is in continuation with the episode number 2. And today I will describe you the properties of addition of rational numbers, the properties of subtraction of rational numbers, the properties of multiplication of rational numbers, and the properties of division of rational numbers. And after discussing about the properties of addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, we will solve the questions of exercise 1.2. So you please take out your book of class 8 mathematics, and now let us start from the properties of addition and subtraction of rational number. So now, first we are taking the properties of addition. So there is the first property under the heading properties of addition is the closure property. So what does this say? The closure, according to the closure property, the sum of any two rational number is a rational number. That means if a upon b and c upon d are any two rational numbers, then a upon b plus c upon d is also a rational number. तो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन ये बताती है कि अगर हमारे पास दो रैशनल नंबर हैं a अपॉन b एंड c अपॉन d, तो उन a अपॉन b और c अपॉन d का जब हम सम करेंगे तो हमको उसका रिजल्ट भी रैशनल नंबर मिलेगा. दिस इज द क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर. कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, if a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers, then as per the commutative property, a upon b plus c upon d is equal to c upon d plus a upon b. कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी का मतलब है कि अगर a अपॉन b और c अपॉन d दो रैशनल नंबर्स हैं हमारे पास, तो हम a अपॉन b में c अपॉन d ऐड कर दें तो जो सम आएगा वही सम हम c अपॉन d में अगर a अपॉन b को ऐड करेंगे तो आएगा. दिस इज नोन एज द कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी, इफ a अपॉन b, c अपॉन d एंड e अपॉन f are any three rational numbers, then a upon b plus c upon d bracket close plus e upon f is equal to a upon b plus within bracket c upon d plus e upon f. तो अगर a अपॉन b, c अपॉन d, e अपॉन f हमारी तीन रैशनल नंबर हैं, तो हम a अपॉन b और c अपॉन d को अगर पहले ऐड कर दें और तब उसमें e अपॉन f ऐड करें तो जो रिजल्ट आएगा, और वही रिजल्ट अगर c अपॉन d और e अपॉन f को पहले ऐड कर दें और जो रिजल्ट आए उसमें a अपॉन b ऐड कर दें, तो वही रिजल्ट जो है वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड में आना चाहिए. So this is known as the associative property. Now additive identity property. The rational number 0 is the additive identity for rational number a upon b plus 0 is equal to a upon b. तो एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी प्रॉपर्टी है कि किसी रैशनल नंबर में अगर हम 0 को ऐड कर दें तो वही नंबर, उसका जो रिजल्ट आता है वो वही नंबर आता है जिसमें हम 0 को ऐड किया है. So this is known as, this 0 is the additive identity for rational number. Additive inverse property, the additive inverse of a upon b is minus a upon b, such that such that a upon b plus within brackets minus a upon b is equal to 0. तो एडिटिव इनवर्स किसी रैशनल नंबर का उसकी जस्ट अपोजिट साइन का होता है. इफ a अपॉन b, सो माइनस a अपॉन b इज द एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ a अपॉन b. सो दैट अगर a अपॉन b में हम ऐड करते हैं माइनस a अपॉन b तो द रिजल्ट शुड बी 0. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी सेम क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. If a upon b and c upon d are any two rational numbers, then a upon b minus c upon d is also rational number. तो a upon b और c upon d अगर रैशनल नंबर है तो a upon b में से अगर माइनस c upon d को माइनस करेंगे तो भी हमारे पास रैशनल नंबर आएगा. दिस इज द क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. सेकंड इज कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर इज नॉट कॉम्यूटेटिव. सो सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर इज नॉट कॉम्यूटेटिव. इसका क्या मतलब है कि अगर a अपॉन बी और c अपॉन डी दो रैशनल नंबर हैं तो a अपॉन बी में से अगर हम c अपॉन डी को माइनस करेंगे तो जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो c अपॉन डी में से a अपॉन बी को माइनस करने पर नहीं आएगा. दैट मीन्स द सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ rational number is not commutative. Associative property. Subtraction of rational number is not associative. That means if a upon b, c upon d and e upon f are any three rational number, then a upon b minus c upon d within brackets minus e upon f will not be equal to a upon b minus within bracket c upon d minus e upon f. So this will not be equal to this. Right hand side will not be equal to left hand side. So the subtraction of rational number is not associative. Now properties of multiplication. Again closure property. If a upon b and c upon d are any two rational number, then a upon b multiplied by c upon d is also a rational number. तो a upon b और c upon d अगर रैशनल नंबर है दो तो उनका मल्टीप्लीकेशन भी रैशनल नंबर होगा. कॉम्यूटेटिव. सेकंड इज कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज कॉम्यूटेटिव इन फॉर रैशनल नंबर. सो a अपॉन b मल्टीप्लाइड बाई c अपॉन d कैन बी रिटन एज इज इक्वल टू c अपॉन d मल्टीप्लाइड बाई a अपॉन b. सो मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज कॉम्यूटेटिव. एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज एसोसिएटिव फॉर रैशनल नंबर्स. सो a upon b multiplied by within bracket c upon d into e upon f bracket close is equal to a upon b multiplied by c upon d within brackets multiplied by e upon f. So this shows that the multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Now the next one is multiplicative identity property. So if a upon b is any rational number and it is multiplied by 1, then the result will be same a upon b. Then 1 is the multiplicative identity. If we multiply any rational number with 1, the result will be the same number. Then 1 is said to be the multiplicative identity. Now the next is multiplicative inverse property. For every non-zero rational number a, there is another rational number 1 upon a which is known as reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So suppose a is the rational number, then 1 upon a will be the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a. So when rational number is multiplied by its reciprocal, the result will be 1. So multiplication property of 0. So what is the multiplication property of 0? If any rational number is multiplied by 0, the result will be 0. Distributive property. If a upon b, c upon d, e upon f are three rational numbers, then a upon b multiplied by c upon d plus e upon f within brackets is equal to a upon b multiplied by c upon d plus a upon b multiplied by e upon f. So if A upon B is multiplied by within bracket C upon D plus E upon F, then what will happen? A upon B will be first multiplied by C upon D, then the sign first plus sign will come over here, and again this A upon B will be multiplied by E upon F. Properties of division, that is closure property. If A upon B is divided by C upon D is always a rational number. So this is the closure property. Commutative property, division is not commutative for relations for rational number. That is, A upon B when divided by C upon D will not be equal to C upon D when divided by A upon B. So division is not commutative. Associative property, division is not associative. So A upon B divided by within bracket C upon D divided by E upon F is not equal to A upon B divided by C upon D within brackets divided by E upon F. So division is not associative. Now these are the properties which we have to remember. So please, all the students, you are requested to learn all these rules, all these properties regarding the addition of rational number, subtraction of rational number, multiplication of rational number, and division of rational numbers. So all these properties you will have to remember, or you will have to learn. Then you will be able to solve the exercise 1.2 and 1.3. So now coming to the exercise 1.2, the first question, take the correct answer. And question number first, A part, what is the identity element for the addition of rational number? So the answer is 0. 0 is the identity element for the addition of rational number, because when we add any rational number with 0, then what will be the result? The result will be the same to which we have added 0. So the additive inverse, the question number first B part, the additive inverse of minus 5 plus 3. So first we will calculate what is the value of minus 5 plus 3. This minus 5 plus 3 will come out as minus 2, and we have to find out the additive inverse. Additive inverse means when we add any number with this minus 2, if the result is 0, then this will be known as the additive inverse. So 2 is the additive inverse of minus 2. And part C of question number 1, which one is not true for rational numbers? So answer is subtraction is commutative. So subtraction is commutative. This is not true for the rational number, because we know that subtraction is commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is commutative. This statement is not true, because we know that subtraction is not commutative. And the D part of question number 1, which one is true for 3 rational numbers A, B, C? And the answer is A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Question number 2, name the property used for the following addition of rational numbers. So A is minus 4 upon 11 plus 0 is equal to minus 4 upon 11 is equal to 0 plus within brackets minus 4 upon 11. So this clearly shows that this is the additive identity. B part, 7 by 8 plus minus 3 by 7 within brackets plus 4 by 7 is equal to 7 by 8 plus within brackets minus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7. This clearly indicates the associative property of addition. C part, 11 by 12 plus minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 3 by 8, minus 3 by 8 is equal to minus 3 by 8 plus 11 by 12. This clearly shows the commutative property of addition. D part, minus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9 is equal to 0 is equal to 4 by 9 plus within bracket minus 4 by 9. This clearly shows the additive inverse. Now question number 12. You concentrate on this question. The sum of two rational number is -5. If one of the number is -13/6, find the other number. क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि दो नंबर्स हैं जिनका सम जो है वो -5 है, जिसमें से एक नंबर हमको दिया हुआ है जो -13/6 है, दूसरा नंबर हमको फाइंड आउट करना है। तो जो हमको नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है उसको हमने लेट द अदर नंबर बी x, उसको मान लिया हमने x, एंड द वन नंबर जो दिया हुआ है वो दैट इज -13/6। तो क्वेश्चन में स्टेटमेंट कह रहा है कि द सम ऑफ टू नंबर इज -5. So as per the statement we will write x plus within bracket -13/6 is equal to -5. Now we will find out the value of x from this equation. This x is equal to -13/6 will go on the right hand side and will be, the sign will be changed.